Yan. Tayo ngayon sa ano, fire hall. Nagreklamo sila, no? Dahil sinabi ko kasi setting issue.
Yeah, boy.
Hindi software, like may IT sila, no? And nag-aalaga ng kanilang mga settings sa IT. So ni-refer ko sa IT, but tamali ko doon, hindi ko tinawagan ng IT from on-site when I was there.
Oh no.
So yun, let's they send out an email, and then sinabi doon ayaw ko daw pumunta, but we'll I guess fix the issue. Ayan, dito marami yan ito, mga logging truck. Ayan, tingnan yung itsura. Baka takot, baka bumagsak dito eh. Kaya nag-distance ako ng medyo malayo-layo, kasi just in case may time tayong mag-react kung sakaling mahulog yung mga logging. Wala pa naman nangyayari, wala pa naman nabubultaan, but you know, there's always first time for everything, right? So maling nag-iingat. Ayan. Ayan, mas maputi na rito. Ito yung mga puno, nagsiputian na. Ayan. Mas madulas. Pero pagka yung nasa -5 to -10, tumigas na yung ano, parang ano na rin, asfalto, yung hindi na masyado madulas. Gonna clear out na nila yan. Yan, ito yung lumang fire hall. Dito ito sa ano, sa north ng city of Prince George. Yan.
The next day.
Slippery sections, be careful. Yan, it's snowing. We're on our way to Vanderhoof, the heart of British Columbia. Yan, yun yung pinaka-middle, like a heart, like you know, imagine body ang British Columbia. This is the heart of the British Columbia. Yeah, I guess Prince George is the liver. Kasi maraming mapapait na tao. Bitter.
Oh no.
Hindi naman lahat. Yeah, these trucks should not be allowed to pass, as we can get blinded. I don't know where the lane is.
Oh no.
God, it's so well, like this truck is look, it's gonna, I can't even see anything now. Jesus.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Grabe, yung isang oras, halos isang oras and a little bit, naging 2 oras na kalahati. Ayan dito, grabe yung snow ngayon. Dapat pala nagstay home na lang ako. Grabe yun. Nahulog sa bangin. Ayan, chicken curry. Day-day style. Ito mga Mamang Berto, no, kalalabas lang from today, November 21st. Kaninang umaga, inanunsyo ng liberal government, andun si Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Chrystia Freeland, na the government is proposing that the GST, HST be fully and temporarily relieved on holiday essentials like groceries, restaurant meals, drinks, snacks, children's clothing, and gifts. So it starts from December 14, 2024 to February 15, 2025. So, it's more money in your pocket, a tax break for all Canadians. Tapos, meron pang $250, I think, for each taxpayer or family maybe who's earning less than $100,000. So let me just read it. The government can set prices at the checkout, but we can give Canadians more money in their pockets to help them buy the things they need and save for the things they want. The government announced that it will be introducing legislation in Parliament that would provide for 2-month goods and service tax, harmonized sales tax, GST, HST break for groceries and holiday essentials. So this tax break will make a meaningful difference for Canadians by making essentially all food GST, HST free, providing real relief at the cash register. So more money in Canadians' pockets. Removing the GST from these qualifying goods for 2 months will provide an estimated $1.6 billion in federal tax relief. A family spending $2,000 on qualifying goods such as children's clothing, shoes and toys, diapers, books, snacks for the house or restaurant meals would realize GST savings of $100 over the 2-month period. So in provinces where the HST will also be removed from qualifying goods, yun yung harmonized sales tax, yung kasama yung PST and GST, yung HST. So ito yung mga provinces na may HST: Ontario, Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island. Further savings would be realized. In Ontario, the same 2,000 basket of qualifying purchases realized HST savings of $260 over the 2-month period. And tapos it tells you how it works, so I'll just leave it to you guys to read it on a link that I'm gonna put in the description. So mga qualifying goods is children's clothing and children's footwear, children's diapers, children's car seats, print newspapers, printed books, and Christmas trees or similar decorative trees, whether natural or artificial, food or beverages, items for human consumptions that are alcoholic beverages. No, good news to sa mga manginginom. Hindi na ako manginginom eh. Yan, yung mga chips, candies, confectionery, sticks, potato chips. Ayan, sa mga chicheria, walang mga tax. GST pala. Ice lollies, juice bars, ice waters, ice cream, ice milk, sherbet, and pudding, donuts, cakes. Ayan, for 2 months. Tsaka yung mga children's toys. Ayan, jigsaw puzzles for all ages. Ayan, hindi dito nakalagay yung $250. I think I heard them say na you'll see it on your bank if you're I think it's for family of 4 maybe. Let me just check on that. Na you get around $250 if you earning less than 100,000 for a family, I think. Parang ganun. Okay. Yan pala ito. Trudeau government to send $250 checks to most people /GST on some goods. Tingnan ko lang dito yung 250. The Liberal government will also send 250 checks to the 18.7 million people in Canada who worked in 2023 and earned $150,000 or less. Oh, okay. So that's for each taxpayer, no? Those checks, which the government is calling the Working Canadians Rebate, will arrive sometime in early spring 2025, Trudeau said. Oh, okay. So these are the cash rebates that we will be getting in the future, but you're paying your overtax payment right now, right? So this is not actually a free money. It's actually just a rebate of your money that you pay to the government. So yeah, we gotta be thankful that it's going back to the people, but that's what it's supposed to be. But yun ang gripe din ng what is it, conservative, as they overspending too much and printing lots of money, so the inflation was going up because of overprinting the money and spending for sometimes hindi na useful yung mga na-spend nila. For example, yung COVID-19 app na they spent millions but there's no return of investment, right? ROI. So yun. So yeah, I'll give you these two links in the description so you can read about it. So hanggang dito na muna at see you again next vlog.